Arjun, I never. Arjun,
Mom,
listen
wait.
to me.
Mom,
Arjun,
stop.
where
Mom,
are you
please
going,
wait.
Arjun?
Mom, please stop.
Arjun,
Mom,
listen
please calm
to
down.
me.
Please don't stop him.
Stop him.
Mom, no one can stop him today.
Stop
You need to
him.
listen to me.
Stop
You
him.
need to listen
He's
to me.
leaving. Stop
Mom,
him.
please listen, Mom. Mom, he's hurt. Give him some time. He will be fine. Please, Mom. Please pull yourself together.
Mom, please calm down.
Hurry up. If she dies, we will have a dead girl on our hands. What happened? Why did you stop the car?
Ma'am, we have a red light.
The light's green. Drive. Listen, don't slow down until we reach the nursing home. Hurry up. Come on, quickly.
Ow!
Diya? Diya! Drive fast. Turn left. She went that way. What are you doing? Drive faster. Hurry up. Faster. We will lose her. Drive faster. She must have gone into that alley. Come here, now! Listen, do one thing. Go this way. Hurry, hurry,
Yes, Mom.
hurry. If this girl gets away, we'll have to go to the jail then.
Did you find her? Let's look over there. Diya! Where are you? You cannot hide for long. Come out right now. Listen, you look over there. I'll look over here.
Diya!
Arjun! Arjun!
Hello?
Deepika, this is Arjun.
Arjun? Arjun, where are you? Arjun, please come home.
Deepika, where's Dia?
Diya?
Yeah, where is she?
She must be in her room.
Could you please check if she's in her room?
But Arjun, what has happened?
I'll tell you everything, Deepika. Just please check if she's in her room, please.
Okay, I'll check. Diya? Diya isn't in her room.
Hey! Stop!
That's her husband. Put her down. Come on. Let's go, let's go.
Dia! Dia! Dia, open your eyes, open your eyes. Dia, open your eyes. Dia! Dia!
Arjun. Arjun.
Dia! Dia, how did you get here? Weren't you at home? And who are those goons? And how do you end up like this, Dia? Tell me.
Arjun. Arjun. By Lord's grace that you came here. I thought I would never be able to see you again.
But who are you running away from?
Arjun, when you left the house in anger, I got very scared. I was afraid that you would do something in anger. Haven't I hurt you a lot? I couldn't control myself. That is why I stepped out of the house to look for you. So that I could meet you and apologize. But then, those goons started chasing me. They attacked me. I don't know who they were. Arjun, I tried my best to save myself. Arjun, I asked them what they wanted from me. They didn't say anything. Arjun, I don't know why they were looking to kidnap me.
But why would anyone try to kidnap you? And if you wanted to get out of the house, you could have told one of the drivers. Why didn't you do that?
Arjun.
Yes, Deepika, tell me.
Hello, Arjun. Diya is not at home. Hello, Arjun?
It's good that Tina called me up at the right time. Otherwise, I would have surely got into trouble.
Why is Pihu not answering my call? Oh God! I had told Pihu not to miss my calls.
I look so good. Let me take a photo. Oh my goodness! So many missed calls from Tina? What's the problem now? She troubles me a lot. Hello? I'm sorry, ma'am. Actually, I was a little busy.
Didn't I tell you to answer my calls immediately? Anyway, forget all that. You come to Park Avenue, 3rd Street. There's a big problem. Diya had managed to escape.
Oh goodness! She escaped!
For now, we have found Diya, but But Arjun has seen her.
Your hero is unbelievable. What kind of a person is he? He always comes at the wrong time. Huh? What do we do now, ma'am? Tell me.
Listen, Pihu. You come here at the earliest. Arjun is looking for Diya. And before he comes here looking for her, you'll have to go to him. It will take you 15 minutes to get here. Just come fast, Pihu. Come fast.
Diya. Get up, get up. Get up. Tell me something. Do you remember the faces of those goons?
No, Arjun. No, their faces were covered.
Stop staring at her and go and change your clothes. After you change, my men will leave you where Arjun can see you. You know what is to be done after that.
Then who could it be? Anyway, come, I have to take you to the hospital. Come on.
Arjun,
What happened?
thank you. Even after what happened, you saved me.
Listen, dear, don't bear any misconceptions, okay? I would have done this even if a stranger had been in your place. There's nothing between us, and nothing can happen either. Understand that very clearly. Come with me.
What happened, Deepika? Why do you look worried?
Grandma, Arjun was asking about Diya. But when I checked, I realized she wasn't at home. But before I could tell Arjun anything or ask him something, he hung up. Grandma, I'm very worried about Diya. I don't know why Arjun called up to ask about her.
Doctor? Come. Sit here. Easy. Doctor, please dress her wounds. She's in pain.
Okay, let me check. Look over here, please.
I don't understand why this is happening. Who did this to Diya?
Deepika, Banu said that Diya wasn't at home and Arjun was asking about her.
Yes, Mom. Arjun called. But he hung up before I could ask him anything. Now Arjun isn't answering my calls and we know nothing about Diya either.
The wound isn't very deep, so stitches aren't needed here. I'll dress her wound, all right? Don't
Okay.
worry.
What is all this, ma'am? You just told me to act.
That's what I'm telling you to do.
This. You call this acting? This is real. I don't want to get into this. No. I won't do it. What if my beautiful face gets ruined? If the injury mark doesn't go away, how will I become an actress?
Aren't you being paid for this? Listen, Pihu, you'll have to do this. Arjun saw Diya wounded.
Madam, can we not use that? What do they use in films? Tomato sauce. It looks just like blood. I'll apply that.
You fool! This is not a film. What will you tell the doctor if Arjun takes you to him? It's a tomato sauce. Listen, we don't have time. You'll have to do this.
Ma'am, I won't be able to do it.
I am not asking you. I am telling you. You have 2 minutes. Either do it yourself or my men will do it.
Okay. I'll hurt myself. I'll do it myself. I'll only do it. I just act. And Tina is very shrewd. She makes me do all kinds of things just because she pays me.
I don't know what's happening in this house. I think Dia should go to her parents' place. At this time, that would be better for both of them.
Okay, doctor, please dress her wound and I'll wait outside. Come out after dressing is done. I'll drop you home. I mean, at your parents' place. There's no need to go back to Agarwal Mansion.
What? He wants to send me to Diya's parents' place? I haven't come to stay in that slum. What do I do now?
What are you saying, Mother? You want to send Dia to her parents' place over a small matter? Every married couple fights. Arjun has made a mountain out of a molehill. Mother, what has Dia done that everyone thinks she's in the wrong? She's Arjun's wife. She did what she did, keeping Arjun's best interests in mind. As a wife, she has the right to do what's right for her husband. That is why I supported her, Mother. If she leaves, even I should leave the house. That girl went through a lot just because of me. Please think about it, Mom.
I think I'll have to call up Tina.
Hello?
Hello, madam. I'm in the doctor's chamber. Didn't you make me injure my head? I got the wound dressed. But I haven't called you to tell you all that. I have called you to let you know that your hero Arjun is making my life very difficult. He told me to leave Agarwal Mansion and he's sending me to Diya's parents' place.
What? No. You can't leave Agarwal Mansion. How will our plan succeed if you leave that place?
Do you think I'm that crazy? I don't want to leave either. I don't want to let go of my luxurious life and stay with those poor people. But ma'am, can you please tell me what should I do now? Since the time you made me injure my head, I haven't been able to think straight. My mind isn't working.
Don't expect me to spoon feed you. Listen, I don't know. Do whatever is needed. You can't leave Agarwal Mansion. Cry, scream, slit your wrist. You have to stay there. How? You figure it out. Otherwise,
Otherwise?
you will not get your money.
The melodrama is already taking a toll on my mental health. I am doing all this for money. And this woman, she cannot stop threatening me. Hello? 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 Hey, Tina ma'am, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? She... Now, what should I do now? Should I fall at someone's feet for money?
I pray to the Lord that the problems between both of them end. May everything be fine between them.
I have known you for many years, but today, I feel a stranger is standing in front of me. Don't you claim to be very close to Arjun? Does a mother treat her dearest son in such a manner? Does she express her love by taking away his happiness? When Dia was Arjun's source of happiness, you didn't used to like her at all. His happiness lied in badminton, and you deprived him of that happiness too? It almost seems you can't see Arjun happy, and you say that you have Arjun's best interest in mind? No, Madhuri. You care about your happiness, not Arjun's happiness. Aren't you a mother? Where will you go? But Dia has no reason to stay here. Dia and Arjun's relationship won't survive. Therefore, it'll be better if she goes to her parents' place.
Let's go.
Arjun! Arjun! Arjun!
Stop this drama. Why are you sitting like this? Get up.
Arjun, please don't do this. Please.
Diya.
I don't want to go away from you, Arjun, please.
I said get up. I said get up. Get up. What do you think? I'll change my decision because of your melodrama? You stay at your parents' place and that is final.
Arjun, Arjun, please don't say that. Arjun, that is no longer my home. After marriage, the in-laws' house becomes a woman's home, and I just won't leave my house, Arjun. I won't go anywhere.
Right. Why would you go? You won't be able to lead a luxurious life at your parents' place. At Agarwal Mansion, you get servants, expensive jewelry, expensive cars, nice clothes. You get all of that, right? And by now, you must have gotten used to all this lifestyle. Now, you've got the status of a daughter-in-law, so why would you go? And you know what? Mr. Agarwal and I have never been on the same page. But today, I agree with him on one thing. That you married me for selfish reasons, that's it.
No, Arjun, no. Okay, don't you want to curse me? Do that. Scold me to your heart's content. But I won't go anywhere from you. I won't go away from you, Arjun, please. No, Arjun. Arjun, please.
Diya?
Arjun! 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 Arjun!
Take this, your medicines.